In this video, you'll learn how to set up your first pain point campaign in Meta Ads Manager. For this test, you want to select the object of traffic for your campaign. Feel free to name the campaign however you'd like, and in the budget, I turn off this setting where you share your budget with other ad sets. When you get down to special ad categories, if you are selling anything in a special category, select that category now. When we move to the ad set definition, we'll name our ad set and set the conversion to website. We can set a budget, but we'll be creating rules later to manage our spend, so don't worry too much about this right now. When you look to the right, you'll notice the audience definition. This is when we'll switch to original audience options and define our audience to be between 500,000 to 5 million people. In this detailed targeting section, you'll reference your definition of an ideal customer and add as many interest job titles as you can, with the exception of the one quality you're saving when you go to define your audience further. In this example, we want all of our users to possess the trade of working in medical and healthcare services. Keep an eye on the audience size, and we can decrease or increase the audience by adjusting the geographic regions and age ranges. This allows us to control the size of the test group and has a big impact on our testing. Once we've reached a good targeting criteria, we can move on to creating our ads. When setting up an ad, we'll make sure to add our website URL. This is where we are pushing our traffic, and setting up our ad creative using the color blocks that we've created. If you haven't created color blocks yet and you're having trouble doing that in Canva or anywhere else, you can sign up on our website to access all our free tools, including our color block generator. This tool allows you to insert your pain point statements and download your color blocks in the click of a button. You can create as many pain points as you'd like, and it's much quicker than going into Canva or using Figma to create all of your pain points and export them in the correct format. When you go to upload all of your color blocks, you can do it all at once or one at a time. Select one of the color blocks and add it, and when you start to set up the media, make sure the aspect ratio stays at 1:1, regardless of the error it shows you. Otherwise, part of your text could be hidden and that will skew your results. For your text, clear the primary text and headline and add a description that's relevant to your space or industry. When it comes to optimizations, you can feel free to leave them all on, but if you're in a special political category, make sure to turn them all off. When we've completed setting up our ad creative, we'll make sure that our metapixel is on for tracking purposes, and then we'll go to duplicate our ads for however many pain points we have set up. You'll follow the same process when setting up all of your other pain point ads. Before you go and publish your ads, you'll need to set up some rules to ensure each ad is viewed equally and to control your ad spend. You'll apply this rule to all of your active ads and make sure that all of the ads are turned off once they reach a certain amount of impressions. And in this case, once your ads reach past 400 impressions, they should be turned off. Before I publish, I like to go back into the ad set and ensure that I've selected the correct time and scheduled date for my ads to run.